GladWeb presents OLM Converter Pro. How to convert OLM to Apple Mail format on Mac. Open OLM Converter Pro application from the Spotlight. Once OLM Converter Pro is launched, you will be presented with dashboard. Click on Add OLM Files. Now browse the location from where you need to export OLM files to Apple Mail format. You can add multiple files with Add OLM Files option for OLM to Apple Mail conversion. The OLM file appears with the folder hierarchy and info about the number of emails in every subfolder. Hit the checkbox Ignore empty folders to avoid conversion of empty folders. Uncheck the folders that are not needed to be converted. You can limit your conversions by unchecking the items from Mails, Contacts, Calendar. Select the type of conversion you are expecting from the list under Convert to. Let's set started by clicking Apple Mail. Click on Start to initialize the conversion. You can work under free trial for up to 10 mails per folder. Or you can enter the license by hitting Register License. Assign the location and name to the exported file. The export process has started. Wait till the completion. Conversion completed successfully. The success of the conversion can be checked from the log report. The full log report can be accessed from the Open Report option. The exported data can be visited from the option. Locate Output folder. This way you can convert OLM to Apple Mail format on Mac. Grab the free trial version of this OLM to Apple Mail converter today. Thanks for watching. Download and get details, visit gladweb.com.